Hello friends, in the last three videos we discussed a use case, that is how to prompt for getting summaries from Concall transcripts. I will continue in this video a different approach, and prior to that I'll have a quick summary. So we are discussing on the use case on company Concalls, and I'm also taking you through the prompting best practices as we do this use case on Concall transcripts. We had three basic prompts which can be used, and fourth version I am dropping because it wasn't effective, and the fifth version is the final version which can be used for getting a structured output from Concalls. So now I'll be discussing the sixth version, or a extended or a varied idea. See, there would be some people who would like to know or extract only numbers of what is there in the con calls. I'm not interested in what the management spoke, what the analyst asked, all that. Wherever there are numbers, I would like to understand what the content is about and what is the inference. So this chat is for only extracting numbers from the con calls. So I'm writing analyze the attached investor con call transcript file and extract all instances where numerical data is mentioned. For each numerical data point, what is the number and context, summary, and the possible inference. The possible inference is something which is coming from the model, either trend or comparison, impact, red flag, implication for future performance, etc. This last line is very important because the model has a habit of picking contents from the trained data. So I want to explicitly say that you are going to use only information from the attachment and not make any assumptions. So this prompt we are going to now try out in a transcript in ChatGPT. This time I'll use a different company, that is Krishna Diagnostics. I'll make this screen slightly larger. So Krishna Diagnostics. Okay, this is a recent con call, and I'm pasting the prompt here. Okay, version 6 for numbers. This is to be deleted. This was the heading actually. Okay, so let us see the kind of output what we are getting now. Okay, so now you can see that it is picking only the items which have numbers, nothing else. Only the items which has numbers. What is the number? Context, detail, insight. Then number, context, details, insight, so on. But somewhere I'm not happy with the structure because it could have been better been in a table, because it's just a bullet point with no even see between context and between this insight and number there could have been a divider line, so that's not there, which is not useful for me to understand. So I'm just going to rephrase this prompt to in as a table, in result output the results in a table. Okay, so I'm again going to run this prompt. Hopefully the output this time will be in the form of a table. Okay. Okay, now this is somewhat better. So it is telling what is the number it saw from the report, what is the context, it was the Q3 F25 revenue, and it's what are the details, and what is the inference from the model. The last column is the inference from the model, means it is not there in the report, but the model is trying to give its interpretation from that number. So this is another way of prompting where you can focus only on numbers and try to get insights from the call transcripts. Right, till we catch up in the next video. Thank you.